Beauty Bears, Waah Gwaan. Welcome back to another video on my channel. If this is your very first time here on Bare Beauty, hi, welcome. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So just before you continue watching this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, tap the bell to get notified each and every time I upload because I upload twice a week, every week. And also follow me on my Instagram at Bare Beauty Services. I will link it in the description and also on screen so you guys can check me out anytime. You can pause this video, you can check me out anytime you guys wish. So I will link it in the video so you guys can just go check me out. So for today's video is actually inspired by an Instagram post. I am trying to see if I can locate the picture. I should have saved it so I could insert it on here so you guys can see where I'm coming from. It was a 90s nails actually, and I thought it was white and long and curved, and I was like, okay, all right, I want to try that. Since I am always doing the very straight no curve nails, it's like today's the day that I will attempt it once again. I mean, I have attempted in the past, but I was like, nah, this is definitely not me. I'm definitely not a curve girl. I'm not a curve nail girl, honestly. I've mentioned it in my previous videos that curve nails are not for more, but guys, I was baptized into curve nails. I'm actually loving it. I'm actually low-key, I'm loving these nails. So I'll be using the cutout nails, which has a little bit curve in it. It was in the first clip, so you guys probably can go back and look at it. I didn't cut down any length on the nails. I just took off a little attachment on the nail, and then I went in with white. I'm actually working with two whites, one that is very harsh white that is very pigmented. It shows any demarcation, and demarcation is not the word. It shows any flaws in the nails. I mean, white and black is something. I think white acrylic, depending on how harsh the color is or how harsh the acrylic is, shows up your work. So for the milky white, when it's properly mixed, when acrylic is properly mixed, you can see the difference. When this is not mixed, this is not mixed properly, because for one, it's very chalky. It is very chalky and it doesn't move as well. No matter how, if the brush is dry or wet, the product does not move very good. So I went in with the harsh white first, and then I went in with some milky, just to kind of subtle, bring everything together. So yeah, so I didn't really use any clear acrylic. I used the milky white. So I do this on all the fingers, and then I'll come back. I didn't want to bore you guys, so I did everything off camera file. There was not much more filing to be done, so that was a plus for me. So I did everything off camera, so I'm back with the more interesting part, which I was excited. I was on cloud 9 to do this part. I mean, that nail actually inspired me today. On a regular day, I wouldn't do nails like this, but I am happy that I did make an effort or did try to do these nails. So I will be going in with it. I will be going in with some colors. I was going with blue, purple, neon yellow, neon green, neon orange. Everything there is neon. Yeah, everything is neon. So I'm not. There's no order to putting on the colors. I did them where my mind told me to put them. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Greens anywhere. So in order for you to get the colors on the nail, I didn't know how to approach it really. If I was supposed to put the colors on the nail, I don't know if it would be a tense as how I want it. But I decided, okay, all right, I'm going to use some base top coat, base gel base gel to adhere the colors onto it, and it worked perfectly. It gave me the right amount of pigment that I needed, so I'm really excited about that. So I went in with 7 colors. Very, 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 very pretty, I think. So this is a part, I mean, I thought about it. I wanted to do my 2 hands actually, but knowing me, the video would have been long, and I didn't want that for you guys. I didn't want for you guys to sit through all of that, so I decided to do 1 hand. So on this nail, if you guys can make out what I'm doing before actually waiting until the end, give this video a thumbs up. So I decided, okay, the nails that I was actually inspired by was the 90s nails. So I was like, all right now, coronavirus are gone. Coronavirus is happening, and you literally can't do anything now. From the starting of January, it has been happening. So 2020 is cancelled, y'all. I thought that was funny. But I asked my fellow people, I asked my cousins, my siblings, like, what do you think about these nails? And they actually do love it. I mean, I'm going to show you guys the between matte and gloss. I actually am loving the matte more than the gloss. I'm really excited about these nails. You can hear it in the tone of my voice. I'm really excited about these nails. If you guys like this, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment if you wish. Tap the bell to get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week. And also follow me on my Instagram at BareBeauty.Service. I tend to post a little bit more often over there. A little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So yeah, so for this part was kind of I was winging this part because I wanted some highlight, low light, them type of there, but I guess it wasn't working for me. So I was like, all right, let me not do this. Let me not do this. Let me not, carry myself into the deep waters. Let me just stop while ahead, yeah. So for the thumb, there was not much going on with the thumb. It was a little the white and then some glitters. I was thinking that I would do the whole nail like this, but then I was like, no. So I went around the nails with some rainbow colors as per usual, and then I started the top coat. I didn't know how to approach this part because when I put the gel over the colored part of the nail, it started running. So I decided to go around the nail and then come back and top coat the entire thing. So that's what I did, and it gave me results, and I am loving it. I'm loving this nail all around. I did this nail actually yesterday, and I'm going to post it today, hopefully either today or Monday. I'm really excited about this. So more nails to come like this. So ensure that you subscribe, ensure that you follow me on Instagram to get more updates. You get more updates from me with on Instagram. So ensure you subscribe, tap the bell, like the video, and follow me on Instagram. So these are how the nails are looking when it's matched. So bomb. So bomb. I'm in love with it. I'm in love with it. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, because I'm here trying to have an awesome day myself, and follow all protocols that your government says, or your president or whomever is running your country, and have yourself once again an awesome day. I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next one. I keep on saying I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video.